The easiest way I can explain that is this. If you have ever borrowed money to buy real estate, again, we'll just use that as an example because most of your investors or listeners can relate to that. If you've ever borrowed money to buy real estate, you've been in the note business, but you've been on the paying side. What we do is get on the receiving side. Okay, so a note is simply an IOU. I can create a note if I sell a property with seller financing. That's a note. So you can create notes, or you can buy notes that already exist. So let's say you have a piece of real estate you sold with seller financing. You created that note. I had nothing to do with it, but maybe you want to cash out of that note now. That's where I come along and say, well, I'll buy that note. And that's really the nature of the business. And there's a lot of parallels between it and real estate because it is a part of real estate. It's just the other side of the same coin, if you will. It's the financial side of real estate. And that's why it's so important for real estate investors to understand if you have the skills on the real estate side and you also then have the skills in the financial side of real estate, it just opens up all these other opportunities that you simply didn't see before. So that's really all it is. It's the financial side of real estate, long-term cash flows that are